Imagine being on the edge of your seat, wondering what's going to happen next. You're not alone. The power of suspense is a universal language that can captivate audiences and leave them begging for more. But what makes it so effective? Let's dive into the psychology behind suspense and explore the techniques that can help you master it. Suspense is more than just a plot twist or a surprise ending. It's a carefully crafted experience that keeps audiences engaged and invested in the story. But what are the secrets behind its success? From limiting point of view to crafting the perfect setting, we'll explore the key elements that make suspense so effective. One of the most powerful techniques for creating suspense is to limit the point of view. By only showing the audience what the characters know, you create a sense of mystery and intrigue. Think of classic novels like Dracula or Rebecca, where the story is told through letters and diary entries. This technique not only keeps the audience guessing but also adds an extra layer of tension and suspense. The setting of your story can make or break the suspense. Think of old mansions or castles with winding halls and secret passageways. These settings suggest that disturbing things are being concealed. Nighttime, fog, and storms all play similar roles in limiting visibility and restricting characters' movements. Even ordinary places and objects can be made sinister, as in the Gothic novel Rebecca, where the flowers at the protagonist's new home are described as blood red. Another technique for creating suspense is to play with style and form. You can build suspense by using short sentences, fragmented thoughts, or even stream-of-consciousness narration. Think of the classic horror novel The Shining, where the author's use of short sentences and fragmented thoughts creates a sense of unease and tension. The power of suggestion is a powerful tool for creating suspense. By hinting at something without revealing it, you create a sense of mystery and intrigue. Think of the classic horror movie The Exorcist, where the possession of the main character is hinted at through subtle clues and suggestions. In conclusion, suspense is a powerful tool for keeping audiences engaged and invested in the story. By limiting point of view, crafting the perfect setting, playing with style and form, and using the power of suggestion, you can create a sense of mystery and intrigue that will keep your audience guessing until the very end.